So you landed on this video because you heard that I just joined Twin Turbo Trx, and you want to know why. Let's go. Hey, how you doing? My name's Kawan Money Mayo, successful online entrepreneur with 6 and 7 figure earner, top affiliate in multiple companies. And hey, you just heard that I joined Twin Turbo Trx. You want to know exactly why, and I'm gonna tell you. Okay, so I have a love-hate for this industry, okay? Because I love the good side, hate the bad side. And all the Ponzi schemes and nonsense that be out there just give the game a black eye and makes people think that everything's a Ponzi scheme, right? Everything's a pyramid. Nothing's legit out there. There's no way you can really make money online unless you're making it on the backs of others, so forth and so on. So I always try to stay clear of the nonsense. I stay clear of the bull crap. I don't listen to all the noise. So if you notice, you can just look at my track record. If you go back in history and just look at the things that I've been promoting the past 4 or 5 years, you'll see that I'm very, very meticulous about the stuff I promote. Everything I promote, for the most part, is still going right now. Like I don't promote things that's here today, gone in 6 days, 6 months. I don't do that, because I know that in order for somebody to win in them type of opportunities, somebody at the bottom has to lose. And I'm not here for that. I'm here to watch everyone win. I'm here to watch, us all be able to be at the top celebrating, not just me at the top, woo, and everybody at the bottom envious looking up. So I've always stayed clear of smart contract opportunities, the Fasages, what was the one? I don't even know some of the other names, but it's been because they don't stick around long enough to even talk about. But I know Fasage was one of the big ones. People made a ton of money, and it's still going because it's a smart contract. So technically, it's never going to go anywhere. But the problem comes in is the fact that once it saturates out and it's no longer producing, then you got people just stuck. And for instance, let's say you went all in with that company. That was like a $50,000 all in. So imagine you put in $50,000 something and all of a sudden it stalls out. And now you can no longer get any money out. That right there is not appealing to me. That's not the type of stuff that I want to promote to people. That's not the type of thing that I want people to look at and say, hey, I seen Kawan join, so I'm gonna join. And then next thing you know, a week later, 2 weeks later, a month later, a year later, it crashes and you lose your life savings or something. Because we always say, put money in that you can afford to lose. But we all know that greed kicks in a lot of times, more times than not. And then you end up putting more money in that you can stand to lose. And then bam, it blows up and crash. So due to that, a lot was one of the main reasons why I stayed away. I said, nope, this isn't for me. I'm out. I'm not even looking. I'm not interested, right? And people always say, come on. Nope. All right, fast forward to now. So reason why I joined TRX was because a couple of different things. One, they actually had a product back there. Whoa, wait a minute. Product? Yeah, products. You never had products with a smart contract. It was always a money game. Come in, put your money in, get money out. I'm not interested in that. That is a pure Ponzi, okay? There's no product. SEC, FTC is going to come shut that down anytime, any day. You can get clawback. It's just so much nonsense and blowback that can happen behind promoting that type of opportunity. So again, I had no interest. I said, not for me, okay? Get a product. Even with Fasage, get a product, and it would have been okay. So that was my first red flag. Okay, I don't like. Now, I do like the fact that it's a smart contract, which means that companies can't manipulate the situation. So if you don't understand what that means, basically everything's on the blockchain. Okay, talk about crypto here. So by being on the blockchain, that means that companies can't pick and choose how they're gonna deal with you. Like for instance, all my payments come instantly if I'm in that type of a deal, because I don't have to wait for a company to pay me out. That's appealing, because sometimes companies never get to paying you out and they disappear with your hard-earned money, right? So that was something that that I do like about it. What I don't like about it is the fact that due to the fact that regulators can't do anything once it's up, a lot of people don't care about putting a lot of scammy programs out there and just doing a quick grab and dash. Get as much cash you can, then out. So I've never had any interest. Now, when they add the product, that was one. I love that. Okay. Then they added products that wasn't just there for fluff, but actually something tangible. Like for instance, they had cryptocurrency. They added cryptocurrency education, live cryptocurrency education, not just from some PLR products or some pre-recorded situation where you might have to ask some questions. You can't ask those questions because that person is no longer available. With this situation, they literally had somebody live that was that's giving crypto trading information, telling you what coins to buy, even the alt ones, because it's not just about Bitcoin. A lot of people don't realize that it's not just about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is cool, but the altcoins can make you rich, you know, in a fast amount of time. So this is what you're learning. I like that. Then they added a cryptocurrency bot. Okay, so now they had actual trading bots where you can actually hook up to the exchange in your exchange, not theirs, which is another thing I don't believe in. I don't believe you putting your money somewhere and then your money is held up and you know you got to wait for it to mature, and then if it never does, then the company leaves with your money. I don't believe in that. So they have the crypto bot where your money's in your exchange, which means you can control what happens at all times. Whether you want to pull out, you want to stop a trade, you want to, you know what I mean, want to put more. It's 100% up to you. Love that. Okay, that was another another deciding factor. Okay, but last but not least, this was the one that said, okay, now you got my attention. They teamed up with my company that I've been with for 4 years, going on 5. If you don't know what that is, that's NowSite Marketing. Okay, they literally teamed up and made a deal with NowSite to be able to bring over some of the NowSite features, okay, and the trainings over to this company. So now you actually have a training platform, okay, a marketing platform, a marketing system, okay, that you get to use when you join this company too. So now I'm like, okay, whoa, wait a minute. These are all tangible things, and it's only getting better and better, and they're going to add to it. We're in negotiations of talking, add some of my products back there for some of the tier levels. So you might end up in the future see a Elite Smart Card back there. You might see Insta popping back there. I mean, you know, I've got different products I've came up with. Some of my trainings, you might see my trainings back there. How to rank on front page of YouTube. I mean, that might be back there. So now you're seeing, wait a minute. This is tangible stuff. This isn't just, you know, fluffy, hypey, you know, this is something legit. Now we talking, because we all know that I never said you can't make money with smart contract. Oh, no. I know you can make money with smart contract opportunities. It was just always premature. It was always rushed and not put together 100% and made it polished and made it ethical and made it, you know, like they like to say, the smartest smart contract, you know, because they feel like they've done everything right. And I agree. So now that they done, I've decided to put my hat in put my bid in the hat, and now we're gonna run this up. Okay, so I'm officially a part of TRX. Okay, we are promoting this thing. We're gonna push it to the stratosphere. You know, we're gonna do big things. If you like the opportunity to be able to pay once, okay, into a tier, never have to pay again, and then be able to earn. So you pay $40, now you can earn $40 commissions and never have to put that 40 buy back into that 40 position. You want to earn $100 a sale, you buy into the $100 position, and you never have to pay another $100. You want to get a $500 sale, you see where I'm going with this? And the be all in is just $1,800, but you don't have to pay $1,800. You know, the lowest that you have to come in with is $40. Another thing I liked about the company is they do airdrops. Now, what an airdrop means is that, and they do it on 2 levels, which means you can get 4 people on your team for free. Now, how is that possible? Well, let me tell you. When you do an airdrop, what they're saying is they're going to drop 2 people in your team. So imagine you was only able to get 1 person, right? You only take 3 to cycle. You get 1 person, boom, 2 just joined your team now. Well, wait a minute. Yeah, you got 1 yourself, and the company gave you 2. Boom, you just cycled. Now let's say on the $100 level, you did that again. Let's say on the $100 level, you wasn't able to get nobody. Let's say, oh man, I paid $100 and I wasn't able to get nobody. Guess what? They're going to drop 2 people on your team. Now, when you make commissions, you get half of what the sale is. So $100, you will make $50. Okay. So that means if they drop 2 people on your team, 50-50. Wait a minute, I just got this for free. Yeah. Now you're in 2 positions that you don't even have to pay for, and you get to still earn from it. And who's to say that the 2 people they put on your team wasn't somebody like myself that can go get 100 sales and you know, right out the gate in 1 month. So imagine they put me on your team. You don't even know me from a can of paint, but next thing you know, I go out and do these crazy sales and you're getting commission from all that. See how powerful that is? So this right here is the reason why I was like, you know, this is gonna be big. It is big, and let's run it up. My only concern with these type of opportunities was always, where's the product? and something tangible too, not just something down there for fluff, but something that people are actually going to use. Well, I can see people using a trade bot. I can see people utilizing cryptocurrency, especially when we're in a bullish market right now. I can see people utilizing the network marketing platforms, because I've been using it for the past 4 going on 5 years, so I know how powerful it is. So just those alone, okay, just those 3 things alone let me know that they got the right mindset, they got the right attitude about how they're going about doing this, and we gonna be able to really run this up. You know, so if you like what you see, you like what you hear, you want to get a part of this, or you want to see more of what it's about, then hit the link below, okay? And then for sure, we'll get you going and get you set up. If you got questions, I got answers. Call me 619-306-9453. Love to answer any questions you have. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the bell. That way you get notified when I do these type of videos. All right. I appreciate you. This ain't gonna be the last. I'm gonna keep you informed, progress, everything. All right. You know how we do. So stay tuned. Till then, have a blessed day.